pros. Now this is FrankOne, the first Colombian coffee maker ever designed and the first one to use a new brewing method we developed. We call it vacuum extraction technology. The story begins with a casual encounter in an Amor Perfecto location in Bogotá, where I met Luis Fernando Vélez, the founder of Amor Perfecto. He's a coffee expert with 20 years of experience in finding and roasting the very best Colombian coffee beans. Luis Fernando wanted a machine that produced a sweeter cup. See, the crema that forms at the very top when coffee meets water is actually very bitter. Because of how our extraction method works, FrankOne leaves most of the bitter crema out of the cup, resulting in sweeter, better tasting coffee. FrankOne is the easiest manual brewer to use and also the quickest to make coffee. Let me show you how to easily make coffee with FrankOne. First, we need some freshly ground coffee. Next, we brew hot water. And now we just put the cap on. After a short wait, all you have to do is just press the button. As you can see, it's very easy to use and impressively fast too. You can experiment leaving the coffee a bit longer for a stronger cup, but using a medium fine grind, 30 seconds is enough to achieve the golden cup standard set by the Specialty Coffee Association of America. When FrankOne finishes, all you have to do is remove and serve.
We recognise the importance of a personal and tactile brewing process and the need to store and make consistently great, fresh coffee, which you can drink wherever and whenever you choose. TUbereka makes coffee in a number of versatile ways. The 3 individual pods ensure fresh coffee is always available, providing a platform to explore the world's most amazing varieties. Quite often in life we're in a rush. TUbereka allows you to delay the brewing process. First, add your grounds. Then, depress and screw the plunger shut. Add water and replace the lid. The filter prevents brewing and the insulating material keeps the water hot, so you can drink your coffee at a time to suit you. When convenient, raise the plunger to bring the grounds into contact with the water, which in turn begins the brewing process. When complete, plunge, screw shut and enjoy. Perfect for coffee on the move. TUbereka has a total capacity of 300 ml, the size of a good mug of coffee. Silicone materials provide insulation for coffee on the move, while providing a tactile, lasting appeal. 3 pods stored in the base allow you to store different styles of coffee according to your taste throughout the day. A precision machined engineered mesh finely filters the coffee for a full-bodied, pure brew. Vacuum holes on the lid and plunger allow for smooth operation of the sealed unit. For the first time ever, you have complete control over where and when you brew coffee by being able to press and raise the plunger of a sealed vessel, making TUbereka a truly portable and leak-proof package. Versatile drinking modes suit both preferences, delayed coffee and coffee on demand, meaning you can drink how and when you want.
Pour-over coffee has been around for a very long time. It's a very hands-on method. The tradition has now been automated and is in your kitchen. We're going to learn everything you need to know about the Cuisinart PurePrecision coffee maker. The best thing about the Cuisinart is its programmability. Down here at the buttons, you have options to choose the strength of your coffee, the temperature of your coffee, and you can even set a wake-up timer to have it automatically brew before you get out of bed. The Cuisinart has a warmer at the bottom and a glass carafe to keep your coffee hot. Cuisinart also offers a coffee brewer with a stainless steel double-walled carafe to keep your coffee hotter longer. The Cuisinart can brew up to 8 cups of coffee, which is perfect for a couple of people to share a few cups of coffee between each other. Cuisinart also has a charcoal filter that's going to filter your water because bad tasting water is going to make bad tasting coffee. The Cuisinart's going to make a perfect coffee bloom thanks to its shower head. The shower head is going to evenly soak all the coffee grounds, and it's going to mimic the hands of a barista by automatically starting and stopping the water flow. The PurePrecision comes with a laser-etched permanent coffee filter for you to brew your coffee. You can also use paper filters if you want. You just have to pick up a pack of number 4 coffee filters. The Brew Pause feature allows you to take out the carafe and pour yourself a coffee before everything is done brewing. The Cuisinart has been tested by the Specialty Coffee Association of America and has got their seal of approval. It brews at the right temperature and for the right times, and a slew of other tests. You can check it out on their website to see everything that is passed.
This is Kelvin, a home coffee roaster that turns roasting into something you can do from your countertop. We used to accept that someone else roasted our coffee for us, with industrial machines, a while ago. These pre-roasted beans cost us $15 to $20 a bag, and start to get stale the instant you open them. We knew we could make coffee roasting simple enough to do at home, so we created the Kelvin Home Coffee Roaster. Kelvin lets you start with green beans straight from the source, and roast them to your exact taste for 1/3 the price. To create Kelvin, we immersed ourselves in coffee culture to understand the details of the roasting process and tested every technology available to produce the simplest, most effective roaster with no complicated routines. All you need to do is set the roast time and let Kelvin do the rest. Kelvin uses hot air to evenly roast the beans. It heats up to the right degree, and it automatically cools down the beans after the roast has ended. Kelvin even filters out the chaff during the roasting process, making cleanup a cinch. To make sure you always have a supply of fresh beans, we also created an app that allows you to choose your beans from all over the world, with our suggestions for different roasts. That way, you can enjoy a range of flavors each time you roast. Kelvin can roast enough beans for a cup or an entire pot of coffee. We want everyone to be able to have control over the most important factor in their coffee's flavor. Our team of experts have dedicated their years of experience into making Kelvin beautiful, technically feasible, and easy to use. With your help, we can make home coffee roasting simple and let you discover a new side to coffee. Kelvin Roaster.
Cold brew coffee. It seems like everyone's hopped on the cold brew coffee choo-choo train. For those who haven't, welcome aboard, because we've got some good news for you. We just invented the easiest possible way to craft cold brew coffee right at home and without a bunch of fancy machinery and gear. Introducing Rumble Jar.